Well, hello there YouTubers. Here we have a completely bone stock 2007-2008 Carrera Vulcan. I think this is the 2007 because it has a thinner handlebars, 25.4 instead of 31.8. It's got the typical stuff you find on these. It's got these SX4 shifters. They're the ones that go backwards and forward in one stroke. There's not two separate parts to them. I'm not really a fan of these, but they do the job. Integrated headset, semi-integrated headset rather. Tektro mechanical disc brakes. The old Suntour XCMs on the front of it, with preload adjust on both sides. There is no lockout or anything like that. Frame is the typical frame of the era, 26-inch wheels. It's an 18-inch in this case, which feels a lot smaller than an 18-inch, probably because of the 26-inch wheels. But it's in pretty good condition, I have to say, for a bike from 2007. You know, this is in pretty good nick. Hasn't done much work, obviously. Hasn't been anyone's wheelie rig or anything and crashed. There's a bit of a scratch here. That might have been me though, transporting it. It has an SR Suntour crankset as you'd expect. It's riveted. They look like bolts, but they're not. It's a triple, of course. The front there we have SRAM SX4 again. 8-speed, of course. The old WPP wheels. These particular ones are not the best ones. They're not even reinforced or anything. There's no eyelets or anything like that. Even the ones with eyelets are a bit flexy. It's got a typical Carrera saddle on it. It's all original. It's a pretty comfy saddle actually. And yeah, a lot more to say about this 2007 Carrera Vulcan. Well, there is. These do ride a bit better. Well, they're better quality, better made than some of the modern Carreras. A lot of the modern Carreras have seriously cheap parts on them just to try and get that price down. These are a bit better, a bit lighter, a bit more agile, and in my opinion a bit of a better bike. That's just, you know, my personal preference. I mean, the Hellcat wasn't bad, but the standard wheels that thing came with, oh, they were terrible. I've got another one to build up, of course, so stay tuned for that video. But yeah, these are pretty good. I'm told they were made by Merida. I'm not sure how true that is, but a lot of people online are saying Merida built these frames back in the day. Now they're made in Colombia, so they're made by someone completely different unless Merida moved their factory. Yeah, that concludes this video. See you later.